how to turn off page new subscribers notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page new subscribers notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and then click pages, and now select your page, and then just click this settings icon in the top corner, and then click this one, notifications, and click on Facebook, and here you will find it, new subscribers. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.